Noise is one of the huge factor that all creators face, especially those noises that you don't have control over. Those noises like truck honking, baby crying, hitting of instruments by another people, external noises from far from you. You just don't have control over those kinds of noise. This tip I'll be sharing in this video will help you conquer every kind of noise in your video. Keep on watching and learn. Hello my sprinkles, my name is Donna and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I upload videos on personal improvement, how-to videos just like this one, and vlogs. If it's your first time of coming across my channel and seeing this face, please don't forget to click on that red subscribe button down below and also click on that bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I post a new video. I will always ask you to subscribe because I post value-packed educating videos on my channel, and if you're doubting me, please go through my other videos to confirm. In today's video, I will be talking about tips and effective ways to help you curb out noise in your video or when shooting your video. Please keep on watching to learn. At this point, the first thing you need to do before we go straight into this video is to get your pen and jotter and start jotting down points I'll be saying in this video because it will be very useful to you. Let's go straight into the video. My sprinkles, the first point on my list is you have to pick out a day and a time that work with your environment, not the one that work with you. Hope you get that. The day and the time you're picking out will have to work with your environment, then it will work with you, but your environment first before you. It's your environment that will make the noise happen or not. The right day and the right time will help you curb out the noise in your environment. Hope you understand what I mean. For example, I usually film in the morning and around weekdays because during the weekends all my neighbors are around, including their children, so the noise will be so much and so loud. Now, during weekdays in my environment, everybody has gone to work. Students and children has gone to school. So it's just like the whole area is 95% quiet. From 10 a.m. in the morning to 12 p.m. in the mid-afternoon, this is when I film. Right now I have picked out a day or days rather, which is weekdays, Monday to Friday. I don't film during weekends, Saturdays and Sundays. Right time for me is from 10 a.m. in the morning till 12 p.m. in the mid-afternoon. That is the right time for me. This is the way I do it, and it helps me curb out the noise in my environment. Hope you understand my illustration now. Okay, so let's move on to the next point. My sprinkles, my number 2 point is learn and teach yourself how to bunk film. Yes, if you ask other creators or if you ask most creators, they will tell you they bunk film. Bunk filming is the bay. Like, bunk filming is the bay. It's the only way that will help you grow in creating content. If you have to be shooting real-time videos, you're going to be slowing down your progress and you'll be stressing yourself out because there's no time for you to relax and edit your videos. When you start bunk filming, it helps you if you're a 9-to-5 worker, or even if you're not a 9-to-5 worker, if you're a full-time content creator, it will give you time for other things. When you learn how to bunk film, it will help you create balance between your work life, your business life, and everything you have going around you. Okay, bunk filming gives you days to relax, and it gives you days to have time for yourself, and it gives you time and days to have other engagements and go for other engagements and do other things you have going on in your personal life. It's not every day you'll be bringing out lights, bringing out phone, bringing out camera to be filming. You will not have time for other things, and if you're someone that have a business will be falling short because you're always filming real time. Once you give yourself a day to bunk film, you have other days to edit and you have other days for other engagements. For example, I have a hair business which I run by myself for now. I film on weekdays, right? Then in that weekdays, I can film like on Monday On Monday, I filmed like 3 videos. Just as I'm filming this video right now, I've already filmed 2 other videos before this video. So for today, I'll be filming 3 videos. All I have to do is to change out my clothes or change out my earrings or change out my hair. But I'm filming 3 videos in a day. It will not look like if you film 3 videos. You will edit and place each video on different dates. Nobody will tell that you film 3 videos or more in a day. Filming is very good. All you have to do is to plan. Example, I film on weekdays. If I choose to film on Monday, I will film straight 3 videos. While preparing to film straight 3 videos, I'll plan out the clothes I'll wear, or I will change out my earrings, or I'll change out my hair. Whatever suits me or whatever suits my mood, that's what I'm going to do. But the goal is to film on that day. Then I take Tuesday and Wednesday. If I can't edit on Tuesday, I'll edit on Wednesday to edit my videos. Then if you can edit the 3 videos within a day or 2 days, that means if I can edit the 3 videos within a day or 2 days, that means on Friday I'll be filming another 3 videos. Now if I film 3 videos on Friday, making it 6 videos I have filmed. For YouTube, I post videos once in a week. Now I have filmed 6 videos altogether in 1 week and I've edited them. That means I have filmed 1 month and 2 weeks bulk of content. Hope you understand. I'll just place them according to their dates, and that is it. For the entire month, I won't film any other video. What I have to do is to take care of the other areas of my life, take care of my business, have rest, do other engagement I need to do. That is it. That is why bulk filming is very, very necessary and important. Let's move on to my third point. My sprinkles, my third point for curbing out noise in your video is investing in a good noise cancellation microphone. I know you understand what I'm trying to say. In all, there are noises you can't avoid, like a airplane flying over your house. You can't avoid that noise, and you cannot stop the airplane from flying over your house. And the honking of a truck, the crying of a baby in the next compound, you can't stop this kind of noise. If you follow my point 1, point 2, all you have to do is that invest your one-time money into a good quality noise cancellation microphone. Emphasis on noise cancellation microphones. When you do your research, you will see so many noise cancellation microphones out there. So you just have to save up and get a good noise cancellation. Point 1, point 2 can tackle the internal noise. Then the external noise will be tackled with the noise cancellation microphone. Okay, so let's go to our next point. My sprinkles, the fourth point I have for you is why filming, raise your voice a little bit higher. Okay, because you follow point 1, point 2, point 3, you say, oh, when I'm filming, I'll just put my voice down, I got myself covered. Please, for the sake of all this noise that you don't know how they will keep into your video, just raise your voice a little bit higher. I know this one is tricky, and please don't come for my head. Don't come for me in the comment section. I'm only trying to help out any way I can. Okay, this is very tricky. You just have to do it. Please, I did not ask you to shout, and it's not by the time you finish filming your voice is all cracked up and you have lost your voice and you say it's Donna that asked you to shout. Please don't shout. I just mean that just raise your voice a little bit higher in case the noise that you can't control creep into your video. Your voice is going to cover the noise. I have noise cancellation microphone right here, and I'm filming in a quiet environment on a weekday, but my voice is a little bit higher because this is going to help you when filming to make your voice louder in the video and to make your voice clearer in the video. Okay, so it's not when you're filming you'll be talking small and say, oh, I have noise cancellation microphone, I am filming in a quiet environment. All those chipping of bird, what if they are making noise in the video? How will your voice cover up theirs? So it's by raising your voice a little bit higher. Please don't shout, just raise it a little bit higher. The way I'm demonstrating now, just raise your voice a little bit higher and continue speaking in your video. Okay, please, let's move on to the last and final point. My sprinkles, the fifth and final point I have for you is use editing apps that have noise reduction features. Okay, and this is very important. If you follow point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, now point 5 will make it better. Like 5 is like the icing on the cake. It's going to make your video better. You can film in a quiet environment and you bong film, and you use noise cancellation microphones. And number 4 point, you raise your voice higher or above the noise. This fifth point, you just have to use editing app that have noise reduction feature. It's going to help you to seal all the list of the noise, the ones that creep in when you don't know, the one that is beneath, below, behind. It's going to seal off all those noise. There are so many apps that have noise reduction features in them. You just have to do your research and know the one that suits you best. Personally, I use CapCut app to edit my videos, and CapCut has noise reduction feature in it, so that's what I use, and my videos comes out less noisy and very, very clear and crisp, clean too. Know the one that suits you best and go and download it and start using it after you film a video. Okay, at this point, my sprinkles, this is the end of the video. I know you've gotten value as usual. Hope you're going to implement everything I said, and if you can relate to any noise I spoke about in the video, please leave it in the comment section. And in the comment section, tell me the noise you face in your environment and how you were able to control and curb and even remove the noise when filming your videos. And in the comment section, you can also leave the point or the number you'll be applying in your videos or when you film your videos. At this point, I would like to tell you thank you for watching to this point. Please don't forget to subscribe, which is very, very important. Please also click on the bell notification so you'll be notified when I post a new video. And don't forget to leave this video a huge like. Like will help the video to go to other viewers. They can also watch and learn. Please don't forget to share my video. Share my video. That is how YouTube notice my channel. They will notice and say that for people to share this video, that means they love this content and they will push out more of my video. Please share my videos so our community will keep on growing. The more the merrier. Okay, and don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section, and if you want me to film a video for you, please leave it in the comment section. I love interacting with you guys and answering your questions. Please don't forget to stay safe out there, and I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.